Go away. Welcome to an episode of Treasure Hunt where we're making a fish trap to catch carp. Probably not redfin. Carp. So I think this is if your carp takes your rod out of the water, then and you need to resort to a fish trap, then here we go.
Yeah.
So I found some bamboo growing. They're invasive, so I felt okay about grabbing some stems with my machete. You need an odd number. In hindsight, I would have grabbed, so there's 7 here, I would have grabbed 9, so that the gaps at the bottom were smaller than this, and it would have been a lot easier to begin the weave. Now that I'm coming up to the top, it's making it a lot easier. But essentially, I'm just getting some, and I'm going in one way and out the other. So I will show you, I'll do a demo, and then over that one, under that one, over that one, under that one, and you know, I might tuck it under the ones for it. There we have it. Now that I'm getting to the top, it's becoming a little easier to sort of bring it together. Yeah. Now, once I've done this, I will be making a miniature version of exactly this, and the pointy end will be inserted in the bottom here so that it's going in, and so there'll be a tiny little gap, you know, like this, and the fish will be able to swim in, but the points will stop it coming out again, and that's how it works. So put the lid in, fish goes in, you leave it in the water for a while, put some bait in there,